Hello, my friends, and welcome to my little science classroom for today. Now, my name is Dana, and what I like to do is, fun stuff. So let's do something fun. Now, what you're going to need to do something fun is you're going to need some craft sticks. Now, craft sticks are like giant paddle pop sticks, but don't lick them, okay? They're clean and they're craft sticks. And also what you're going to need are some rubber bands. So let me show you what I'm going to be making next to me on the screen. Let's have a look. Okay, now you can see here on my screen next to me, you see my arm? Okay, here's my arm. And now I put it down here and you can see my hand and what I'm touching. So what we're going to be using are some craft sticks, your paddle pop sticks, and we're going to be using some rubber bands, and we're also going to be using a plastic spork or spoon. Okay, so a spork is like a spoon with little forky bits at the top. You get the idea. And we're going to be making a catapult. Now, my catapult isn't giant, it's little teeny tiny. And if you want to make a catapult, you need to be safe, okay? We never, ever, ever throw things towards other people. We must be responsible and we must be safe. But that doesn't mean we can't have a whole bunch of fun. So what you need to do is you need to be able to count to 10. Can you do that? You've got 10 fingers. Okay, so you need to have the same number of craft sticks as you do fingers. You need 10 of them. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a pile of craft sticks that is 10 craft sticks high. So how many have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we need 3 more. 8, 9, 10 craft sticks. Okay, now it doesn't have to be exactly 10. You might have 9, you might have 8, but you just want it to be a fat wodge, okay? Here's our fat wodge. Now you want to get a rubber band. Doesn't matter what color. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is bluey green, which is also called aqua or teal. Now I'm going to wrap my rubber band around the end of my 10. See that there? Okay, wrapped it round. And then I grab another rubber band and I do the same thing to the other end. Wrap it around. Whoop, I broke that one. It's not going to work, is it? Wrap it around. Maybe blue will work. There we go. So I've got my 10 craft sticks with the rubber band at the top and at the bottom in my nice lump. Now I'm going to get another 2 craft sticks, okay? Another 2. So you're going to have 12 altogether. And these 2, you're going to actually rubber band at one end only, okay? Now it's a secret. Okay, it's not a secret. We're going to do it together. We're going to rubber band those 2 together. Oh, I chose a big rubber band this time, okay? And you want the rubber band down one end but not up the other end, because what you're going to do is you're going to turn it this way so it's up and down, and you're going to split it apart and see how one end holds together. Now this is part of your catapult and it's absolutely imperative, important that you do this part right. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your big fat wodge, your 10 craft sticks, and you're going to stick it in the middle of your 2 craft sticks. Okay, see how it's all stuck together like this? Now it's a bit kind of jumpy aroundy at the moment, so what we need to do is we need to get 2 rubber bands and rubber band them across here. Okay, so from this corner to that corner and from this corner to that corner, and you might need to get some help for that because, well, it's a bit tricky. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the rubber band around here. Oh, wants to escape, doesn't it? Now it doesn't matter if it bends while you're doing it, because you can move it around a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to get another one. I'm going to go around this way. Okay, and it'll look a bit like the letter X. Do you have the letter X in your name? I don't, but one of my sons does. Okay, there we go. So we've got it with the X in the middle, our 2. There's our X again. Here's our 2, and here's our big fat wodge of 10, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to get your plastic spoon or your plastic fork, and you're going to attach it to one of these poking up bits of your 2, okay? You're going to attach it here. Now, I've already done one, so I'll show you here. Okay, you can see that I've got my spork. I've got a spork. See, it's kind of like a fork and a spoon all crossed together. We've got a spork, and we've attached it with an orange one up there and a pink one down here. Okay, and if I turn it side on, you can see it. Here's my spork head attached to my catapult. Okay, and this is actually a finished catapult. And what you need to do is you need to get yourself something that's not going to hurt anybody. Okay, so something very soft, and put it in your spork, and you're going to use it as a catapult to fling stuff. Now, I've got some stuff here like this. Like an eyeball. You like my eyeball? Okay, now this is not a very hard eyeball, and it's quite soft. So, I mean, it's quite light. So if it hits anybody, which it's not going to because I'm going to be very safe, but if it did by accident, it wouldn't hurt anybody. And also, it's not messy. So wherever it goes, I only have to pick it up and I don't make a big mess. So get your eyeball and you put it in that spork or spoon top, okay? And you're going to fling it. Now, you've got to make a special technique to do it, okay? So I'm going to show you here. You're going to hold down this end, the skinny end, and then you're going to press down on your spoon top, okay? And then you're very carefully going to slide your finger this way, okay? You're going to press down and slide this way. And when you do, your, woo, see, it's already wanting to work. When you do, it's going to go like this. Ready? Woo! Oh, okay. It's working really, really well, okay? Slide your finger back. Woo! There it goes again. And I'll put it under the screen so that you can see me do it. Now, you're not going to see my eyeball fly off because it's too hard to see in this little screen. And it goes so fast that the camera can't pick it up. Are you ready? So I'm holding it down at this skinny end here, the blue and the green here. And I've got my finger on the top, just above my eyeball or my projectile or my pom-pom or whatever I'm going to go. Are you ready? Slide my fingers back and go. Whee! So there we have it. We've made a catapult and we've done it quite safely. So remember, you're going to need some craft sticks and some rubber bands, and you're going to need a plastic spoon and something very soft to use as what we call in science a projectile. A projectile is something that you can throw or chuck or kick, something that goes through the air, okay? So it's your responsibility to be safe, and if you need any help, you must make sure that you ask. And last thing, if you make a mess, what do we always do? Clean it up. And I might see you again sometime. Bye.